You hear about the stock market every single day. It's up, it's down, it's crashing, it's roaring. But nobody ever explains the machine itself. So let's do that, in plain English. Because once you see how it actually works, most of the mystery, and honestly, most of the fear, goes away. Start with what's actually for sale. Companies cut themselves into slices called shares. Own a slice and you own that much of the business, that fraction of its buildings, its brand, and every dollar it earns from now on. That's the product. Not tickets, not bets. Slices of real businesses. The stock market is nothing more than the place where those slices change hands. At any moment, there's a crowd that wants to buy and a crowd that wants to sell, and the price simply slides toward whichever crowd is bigger. That's it. That's the whole machine. When you hear the market fell today, it means the selling crowd was bigger today. Nothing broke. So who's actually in the crowd? Mostly professionals, pension funds, banks, the big investment firms. They move most of the money. And here's something almost nobody knows. The biggest ones have to publish what they own every quarter by law. We track it on this page. You're allowed to look at their homework. Why do prices move every second then? Because the crowds are constantly changing their minds about profits, about news, about each other. On any given day, the moves are close to unpredictable, and anyone who says otherwise is selling something. But over years, prices follow one thing above everything else: whether the business behind the slice earns more money or less. Now, the practical part. You don't have to pick one slice. An index fund is a single purchase that buys a tiny piece of hundreds of companies at once, the whole market in one basket. For a lot of people, that's the sensible first step, and there's no shame in it being the whole plan while you learn. And when you do start picking companies, remember the machine you just learned. The price is a crowd's mood, and moods swing too far in both directions. That's why our whole approach is built on one question. Is this company priced below what people usually pay for it? You can't time the market. You can absolutely recognize a discount. This bar is that question answered. So that's the stock market. Slices of real businesses, changing hands between two crowds, at a price that follows moods in the short run and profits in the long run. It was never too complicated for you. It was just never explained. Visit us at smartcharts.co, where we explain the stock market in plain English for people who were never given the manual. Nothing here is financial advice.